myself Babita Sharma, a member of SURAJ Group of Education. In our last video, we have discussed about tenses, and the first part of tense is that one is present tense. We have already discussed in our previous video about present tense, and now we will discuss about the past tense. Past tense has also 4 subforms. Subforms. The first one is simple past. The second one is past continuous. The third one is past perfect. And the fourth one is past perfect continuous tense. So these are 4 subforms of past tense. Every tense has 4 subforms, whether it is the present, it is the past, or it is the future. So first we will discuss about simple past tense. Simple past, verb second form. Only verb second form is used in this tense, just like this. Look at the example. He went to school. He went to school. Go, went, and gone. These are 3 forms. First form is go, second form is went, and the third form is gone. We use the second forms because this one is simple past, and in simple past tense we use verb second form. Only second form. Nothing in the end of the tense or at the beginning of the tense. इसके आगे इसके पीछे कुछ नहीं रहेगा, सिर्फ second form यहाँ पे use किया जाता है. Then we will discuss about past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, let us look at the rule we use in past continuous tense. That one is was and were. That were first form plus ing. The example is we were purchasing a house. We were purchasing a house. Then the second one is he was going to market. Going to market. Was with singular one and were with plural one. Was with singular one and were with plural one. These are some examples of past continuous tense. Now let us see about past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, we use the rule implement in this tense is had plus were third form. In past perfect third form, in present perfect verb third form, in future perfect verb third form. It means in perfect tense verb third form is implemented. She had gone to school. Had is used with singular subject or plural subject in both sense. They had gone to school. They had gone to school. Now the last one is past perfect continuous tense. The last one is past perfect continuous tense. In this tense we implement the rule. Let us look at the blackboard. That one is had plus been plus verb the first form plus ing. So this one is the rule used in past perfect continuous tense. Had with past tense, been with past continuous tense, And continuous, it is a continuous tense, so we use verb first from plus ing. We indicate time in this type of sentences. We always indicate the time in this type of sentences. Just look at an example. She had been going to Delhi yesterday. Look at this. This one is at the time yesterday. She had been going to Delhi yesterday. This one is an example of past perfect continuous tense. So we have already told you and explained you all this. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.